This is how he really snores.
Show me. Who?
Hey, tell the people.
Who? Daddy?
Erase it.
Daddy?
Erase it.
I did. Who are we doing first? Daddy? Okay, show me how Daddy snores. Okay, how does Zach snore? Now do the nose thing.
No.
Okay. How does Cody snore?
He snores, he talks to sleep, and he farts.
What do you do? What do I do?
You scared me!
You scared me!
What did you think it was?
Can I see you with a camera? Yeah, look, we can see you through the thing. You crazy.
What did you think it was?
You can see him through the net.
What did you think it was?
I didn't know.